Viewer, you can see that this is the structure of the atmosphere. In bottom side indicate temperature in Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius temperature here. This line indicates 0 degree. This is that plus 20 degree. This is the minus 20, minus 40, minus 60, minus 80, minus 100 degree. If we go left side of this graph, then temperature going to minus, and in the right side is going to plus. So this is the structure of the atmosphere. Firstly, this is the troposphere, in Hindi Chhop This is the tropopause, means Chhop Height of tropopause from the ground is 12 km, just above of 10 km. This is the height of the atmosphere, 10 km, 50 km, 80 km, 100 km. So tropopause height is 12 km here. After that, this is the Samtap Mandal in Hindi and stratosphere in the English. Height of stratosphere from 12 km to 50 km, you can see that. And this is the troposphere patch, border of the above border of the troposphere. Stratosphere, excuse me, not this tropo. This is troposphere here, and this is the troposphere. Above of stratosphere, 50 km to 80 km is called mesosphere. This is the mesosphere, in Hindi Madhya Mandal, and this is the Madhya Sima and the mesopause. This is the meso above boundary, and the 80 km. Above 80 km to 100 km, this is the Bahya Mandal. Above 100 km, Bahya Mandal. Bahya Mandal means exosphere. This is the exosphere. So troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and exosphere, and this is the tropopause, stratopause, and mesopause, and so on. So this is the structure of the Vayumandal and atmosphere, and sphere of name of the sphere of the atmosphere. And now we going to temperature. On the ground, temperature is 15 degree. You can see that 0 degree, 5 degree, 10 degree, 15 degree. This is the temperature line going above, moving and going. So from ground, we are starting from ground. This is the 20 degree. Here in the 10 km is the minus 50 degree, and this is the